Mounds State Park, located in Anderson, Indiana, is a 259-acre park famous for its 10 unique prehistoric earthworks built by the indigenous Adena and Hopewell cultures around 160 BC. The visitor center includes interactive wildlife displays, live animals, a birdwatching room, and weekend naturalist-led programs. Visitors can tour the 1840s Bronnenberg House, one of the oldest brick homes in the area. The park does have a daily entrance fee of $7 per vehicle for Indiana residents, $9 per vehicle for out-of-state visitors. Pedestrians and cyclists are $2 per person. The park's most prominent feature is the Great Mound, a massive circular earthwork measuring nearly a quarter-mile in circumference. These mounds were historically used as gathering places for religious ceremonies and for tracking seasonal, solar, and astronomical alignments. The park features 6 distinct hiking trails covering over 5 miles and range from easy to moderate in difficulty. The family campground provides 75 modern campsites with 50-amp electrical hookups. If you enjoy this content, please like, share, and most importantly, hit that follow. Thanks for watching.